Want to learn how to create this stunning animated menu in Figma? Watch the tutorial till the end. Yeah, till the very end. Nice. Ooh. Okay, create a project in Figma, and now I want to create a frame for my components. So this is a menu we want to create. So first of all, we need a rectangle. Press R, or you can choose from here. Let's add some radius. Maybe that's enough. Let's add a color for it. We can click on the fill, or you can press I to take the color picker. Here I want to get this color. And now what do we need? We need these icons. So I have brought these icons. So if you want to bring this kind of icons, you can go to the actions, plugins, and you can search for Iconify. So this plugin provides you all the necessary icons completely for free. So you can search after you have installed. If you don't have that one, you can search for any type of icons. For example, now if I want to bring some icons like this, you can search for home. See, all the icons are available. You can just drag and drop. That's it. I don't want to bring them again, so I want to use these available icons. I want to copy them and paste them here. If you have chosen multiple icons, you can resize them by holding shift and dragging your mouse. Next thing we need to do, we add an ellipse. We can add from here, or we can just press O. Let's zoom. Put your cursor to the very edge of the rectangle and press shift and alt. I think this is enough. Now zoom out. So if you want to bring them to the right, hold shift and like this. Okay, double click on your ellipse. Click on the ellipse and change the color to the white. And also let's set a white color to the background as well. I think this one is softer. Let's not hurt your eyes. Double click on your ellipse, and also let's do a single click like this. And now let's make them a little bit outward curve. So another single click, and let's drag the very bottom. Let's make them a little big. Double click outside. Let's add another ellipse. Press O, shift and alt. Click the second ellipse and go to the fill. Take the color picker. Let's bring them to the top of the frame but inside. I think the icons are still big. Let's make them a little bit smaller. Okay, now let's make sure if they have aligned to the very center of the rectangle. Yeah, like this. And now we need to group these two ellipses. Group one. So now what we need to do, let's create a component from it. You can also press Ctrl-Alt-K. The next thing we need to do, let's add a properties, it's variant, and let's name it menu. The default value is default right now, but we will add another values later. Add a variant, another variant, and another variant. So they have a different values. If they have same value, definitely it will show some errors. That's why I have added a variant property as menu. So you can change if you want, like you can set this is store, or this one is AI, or this one is account, but I don't want to set any names right now. Let's go here, select the ellipses group, and let's move it. You can hold shift and right arrow keys. Now we align the home icon to the center. In here, you can bring up the icon in front of the ellipse group, or you can send this group to the backward or very bottom of the layer, but not after rectangle, but before. So do the same process to all of these. So far we are done, like with different variants of the menus. The next thing we need to do, we need to add our animation. Let's create another frame. Let's also make the background color a little bit more attractive. So let's bring one of our menus. Let's take the first one, copy and paste here. If you want, you can scale it with pressing K and holding the Alt and like this. Let's go to the prototype, select your frame, add a flow starting point. So you can name whatever you want. Let's play it. What if we change the background color of our menus? Let's select the components section and fill a color like this. And also let's change the color of this outward curved ellipse. Double click. You should select the first ellipse and hold shift. This one, this one, this one. Go to the fill and with color picker, let's choose this one. That's it. Now let's see. Yeah, this is cool. Now there is no animation or any interaction. So let's make it interactive. Go to the prototype, double click on the icon and let's add some interaction. Click on this plus icon and click and drag it to the next menu. And now on click, let us change to the menu 2, inherent, smart animate, choose gentle. Let's make it 600. And now this should be fine. Yeah, nice. So let's keep doing this. Do the same thing to other menus. This is already chosen. Smart animate, gentle. So keep doing it. You should add the interaction to the every icon or menu here. Like this. Go back to the home. And this one to the third menu. The last one to the last menu. Make sure when you choose your icons, it should select the frame of the icon, not the vector. Now I think we are done with the interaction in all parts of the menu. Let's go back. So check it. Wow, isn't this cool? Do you want more tutorials like this? You want to become a master in Figma, web design, web development, programming, cybersecurity. Oh, hold on a second. Sorry. Only in web design and Figma. For now, see you in the next video.